Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm telling you the top reasons why he's ignoring your calls and texts. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Do not forget to follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora. And for your fashion and design needs, follow Faith Peters on Instagram and Facebook. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Your man, your boyfriend, doesn't just wake up and start ignoring your calls and start not replying you, ghosting you, ignoring your texts, not picking your calls. There is a reason that happens. And down here are the reasons I'm going to give you. Reason number one, he's not that interested in you. Yes, you have been going out with him, hooking up with him, hanging out with him. Sometimes he initiates the text but takes long to reply. Sometimes you chat and he chats back. Sometimes you call and he picks. But most of the times he doesn't call back. When he finds your missed call, he doesn't pick when you call. He doesn't reply your texts or your messages. He doesn't do it as fast as you want. Maybe it takes days or hours and you want it to be instant. You are confused. You don't know whether he's interested in you or not. Well, he is interested in you sort of, but not as much as you want it to be. He is not that interested in you. Trust me, I know how hurting this is. You want to hold on to the fact that this man does like you because you feel that there is enough evidence to show that he likes you. But there is also enough evidence to show that he doesn't like you enough. He is not that interested in you. Number two, this man is busy. It doesn't mean that if he doesn't reply immediately, he doesn't want to. Sometimes this man is busy. The time you text, he's working on someone, he's working on something, he's doing something. Then if he takes long to reply, don't take it personally. If he replies later, accept it and appreciate it. Study his way of life before you can rule out whether he doesn't want to talk with you, or whether he's not interested in you, or he's simply just busy. Sometimes the easiest explanation is the correct explanation. Number three, sometimes this guy is taking a step back because he has realized that the relationship is moving so fast. Yes, guys can be weird, especially when he's not sure what he wants. He's not sure about you. He's not sure if he wants you or not. He can decide to take a step back and first study the situation and first be sure whether he wants you or he doesn't, and first be sure not to waste your time. Sometimes it's just that. Number four, he's just a ghost. These are men who are disturbers. His work is to disturb. He will come to you, talk, sweet talk you when he's in the mood, get to know you, and all of a sudden disappear for good. These ghosts do happen. Sometimes he doesn't even remember that he has ever talked to you because he did it in the moment. Maybe he was excited, maybe he saw your number and he was like, let me disturb this one, or let me spend some time chatting with this one to pass time. But he actually did take it serious like you did. So if you go on texting this person, yet they've ghosted you, you will instead get hurt. If you're ghosted, leave. Leave this chat, leave this person. Number 5, he doesn't see a future with you. Some guys will tell that they have no future with you immediately after starting a conversation with you. So they will decide to keep you around just in case. To chat with you when their mood feels, when their mood suits them. Just to use you for boredom. But in reality, they see no future with you and they are not ready to pursue it. So when you text and call and do all those things, they will ignore you and only respond when it suits them, when they are bored. Number 7, he's dating several people at the same time. Men cannot multitask, I'm always telling you. So when he's dating several people at the same time, it's like a battle. The one who catches his attention most, he will be with that one for some time, then switch off. Then another one catches his attention for something, then he will be with that one for some time, then switch off, then cut off another one. He doesn't even realize that he is doing it. For him, he thinks he's juggling, but he's not. He's putting someone at the table, at the seat, while servicing another person. This is also a reason to explain why he takes long to pick your calls, why he doesn't return calls, why he doesn't return your chats and texts. He could be facing serious life challenges. Yes, it could be about work, it could be financial. He could be even unable to handle a situation of buying airtime or data or buying data bundles to chat with you or contact with you. Maybe his phone malfunctioned and he has to buy another one. Maybe he's somewhere. Maybe he's stuck on an island. All those things can happen. Wait for him. When he finally comes, he will explain himself. Why he has been distant, why he couldn't reply calls, why he couldn't handle your calls or call back. It could be that where he is, there is a network problem. Wait for him and listen to his explanation. Number 8, things just didn't click for him. He was with you, he talked to you, you hung out with him, but for some reason, he just realized that things didn't click, that you couldn't go anywhere, that he couldn't be with you, and he just stopped it there. There is nothing wrong with that. At least he saved you the heartbreak and the heartache of wasting your time. Number 10, you are not the person he anticipated. He fell in love with your online looks, your fancy nice pictures, your nice way of chatting, because you copy and paste chats and things people say. But when he met you in person, you were so different from what you are like on social media. The way you look is different, the way you talk is different, the way you behave is different, the way you present yourself is very different from what you are on social media. So if you are not what he anticipated, don't blame him for cutting you off. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Do not forget to visit noraarake.com. Until next time, thank you, I love you, bye.